Hey friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. This is your host Vishwajit. In last episode, we have disassembled and replaced our fog light assembly bulbs. And in case you have missed that episode, you can click on the top right corner over here. In today's episode, we are going to align both these fog light assemblies proper to get a right projection out of it. So here we have already uninstalled both the fog light assemblies from the car, and here we have also got a new bulbs for our fog light assembly. As you can check, Lumax is also one of the best brands available and recommended. Moving back to our fog light assemblies, here we have a special knob for giving a proper projector beam. So where it is here at the bottom of the assembly, where you can just tweak it clockwise or anti-clockwise to get the best projection. Now we will see a step-by-step process how you can align this upward or downward to get a proper projection, and we will get a two-stage process. For the stage 1, we will install it on the car and check whether the projections are correctly aligned or not. But before that, we will twist it anti-clockwise to see whether the effect is going proper or not. As you can see, I am twisting it anti-clockwise. It will head the projection upward, and now we will rotate it clockwise to see whether the effects are going well or not. So the clockwise is the downward rotation. As you can clearly see, this is the clockwise rotation of the knob. So this is basically a screwing effect. I will definitely recommend not to cover the mud guard unless and until you have the proper projection aligned. So after setting, you can see three different knobs which the bulb holds, and it looks quite similar to me right now. So it is time to assemble these fog lights on the car and check whether the projections are good or not. As you can clearly see, the right side projection is little bit upwards as compared to the left. So here we are going to raise the left side fog light assembly projection by twisting the selection knob anti-clockwise. To do the same, you have to pull out the fog light assembly and twist the knob to anti-clockwise as shown in the video. After twisting it, you can replace the fog light once again to its position, and we will see whether it is giving us a proper projection or not. Now we can see that the alignment is quite proper of both the beams projected by the fog lights. So this could be a better setting for our car. Now as we can see, the projection is good. We can screw both the fog light assemblies properly and install the mud black cover once again. The screwing is the very important key. In case you miss out the screws, it will make a big issue with the housing of the fog lights. Please make sure that the fog lights are installed properly. In case you have missed our previous episode of how to install the fog light assembly, you can check out the link available here. At SMARTDrive, we are recommending 4 different brands which are quite good for the projections. By priority, we can select Philips, then Bosch, then Roots and Lumax. So these brands are quite popular, and you will find the purchase links available in the video description. Hope this video will help you out for making your DIY settings of your car's fog light assembly. In case you have any doubts, kindly comment below. Please don't forget to visit our official website smartdrive333.com for better guidance. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from SMARTDrive.